In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your previous downloads on Firefox browser app. If you had used Firefox browser to download any document or file and you want to trace it using the download history on Firefox, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So I have this page that I want to download. So I'll open it here and then download the file. You can see it is a file of several pages. I'll download to get it on my phone. So if I click on download here, the download will begin and you can see it is complete. I can go and open the download straight from here, the document, to get it. However, if I had already or I'm missing this, or maybe you are missing this and you wish to find the same document, then for instance, if I'm here and I don't have the download file down here, there are two ways you can get it. First, you can go to your storage and downloads folder to find it, or you can also locate it straight from Firefox browser. To do this, click on these three lines and here you'll see we have downloads. If you click on downloads, now you'll be taken to your download folder or download location where you can get all your previous downloads. Just click on any of these to get your download file, and if it is a PDF file, you can open it now with Acrobat or even WPS. So that's how you can find your previous downloads on your Firefox browser app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.